Introduce myself. My name is Shady. Oh, Shady. So nice to meet you.
The most famous reindeer of all, chace. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I have 20 Christmas movies on Hulu. Some of them are repeats on Netflix from the Netflix video, just in case you don't have Netflix but you have Hulu. I know some people like that, so I figured why not help everybody, you know. Excuse the noise coming from my computer right now. It's having a mental breakdown because I'm downloading a video, so it's gonna wheeze for a while. So I haven't seen any of these movies just because I'm not like on Hulu like that. Like I just got on Hulu for the first time in like forever, man. I don't know about any of these movies, so I'm just gonna read you guys the thing and you can determine whether or not you like it. I haven't read any of them, so this is gonna be my first reaction with you guys. I don't know if I already got a thumbnail. So my mom started watching Merry Little Christmas Wedding, but not like little, like little. It's Liddle. So if let me tell you what you guys are, what it's about. Jesus, I can't speak today. A couple tries to plan the perfect destination wedding amid family chaos and drama. I asked my mom if it was good or not. She hasn't finished it yet. So the first movie on my list, that was a bonus. I keep giving you guys bonuses, but anyways, the first movie on my list is Girlfriends of Christmas Past. This movie came out in 2016. And it says, expecting a proposal, Livy gets dumped instead. What? She finds 2 more women her ex wronged, and the trio decide on payback. Meanwhile, Livy meets Carter and sparks begin to fly. Can she forget about revenge and let Christmas romance bloom? That's so disrespectful. Wow. How would you break up with someone in the holidays? What? Okay, anyways. I might actually watch that one. Next is Angels in the Snow. No, not Angels and Demons. This came out in 2015. It says a dysfunctional Montgomery family go to their cabin for Christmas where a blizzard traps them inside. Oh heck no. When the Tucker family arrives needing shelter, they are welcomed inside and remind the Montgomery family how to love each other. Okay. Well, This Christmas, we all know what that is. That's on Netflix as well, but if you don't have Netflix and you have Hulu, there you go. A Very Brady Christmas. This is just like the Brady Bunch, but Christmas edition. It came out in 1988, so there we go. There's that. Next, Christmas Perfection came out in 2018. And it says a woman magically wakes up on her perfect Christmas village in Ireland. That's it. That's all there is. Really? That's it? Okay. Well, there's that. I don't know why my computer is still having a heart attack. Anyways, the next one is The Spirit of Christmas, which says Kate is sent to broker the sale of Hollyrose Inn, where she discovers Daniel and agrees to help him solve the mystery of his murder to help him move on. But she didn't plan on falling in love along the way. I think I've seen this. Anyways, Back to Christmas came out in 2014. Allie wakes up realizing she's reliving a past Christmas, allowing her to change the path of her love life with her ex or with someone entirely unexpected. That sounds like whatever that movie is where the girl got in a car accident and she kept like, she would like go about her day, get in the car accident again, and she did everything to like try to prevent the car accident, but she couldn't. And she just kept like waking up on the same day. Does that make sense? I hope so. So this is Christmas. It came out in 2012. Wow, that's old. And it says 18-year-old Ashley's life is headed in the wrong direction. She's been hanging out with a bad crowd and seeking an escape from the drama at her house. Sounds like it's got a whole bunch of life lessons in it. Okay, Christmas with the Andersons came out in 2016, and it says the Anderson family always goes all out for Christmas, but this year will be different when Michael loses his job just before the holidays. That is trash. With wacky Aunt Katie visiting, though, she helps remind them Christmas can be fun with no money. Oh Jesus. Christmas in Compton came out in 2012. Trouble erupts on Big Earl's Christmas tree. 1 week before the holidays, his son Derek, an aspiring music producer, along with a group of colorful characters, add to the drama. Okay, we all know that sounds kind of interesting, not gonna lie. Okay, The Truth About Christmas. This came out in 2018, and it just says an encounter with Santa results in a drastic change. That does not tell me anything about the movie. I hate... What? Okay. The Heart of Christmas came out in 2011, and it says Megan re-examines her priorities after she sees people decorating for Christmas in October to help a family celebrate Christmas with their dying son. I've seen this. That was a good movie. Naughty and Nice came out in 2014. When a cynical Los Angeles DJ is exiled to a quaint mountain top town for the holiday season, the small town charm and holiday cheer, not to mention his pretty new co-host, begin to melt his icy demeanor. The two have an entertaining repartee? I don't know what that says. That word. On air that enthralls the town, and eventually it's the sparks between them that they can't deny. I'm pretty sure I've seen this too. When do I watch these movies, man? In the middle of my sleep or something? Oh, I have a bonus, but it's not a Christmas movie. If you've never seen School Dance, it's on Hulu. Go watch it. It's hilarious. A Nasty Piece of Work. This is a Christmas movie? It came out in 2019, so last year. Oh, it's a horror movie. Ooh. Mid-level corporate employee finds out he's not getting the Christmas bonus he was expecting, but his boss invites him to earn a promotion by beating his professional rival in a violent competition. Yeah, that sounds good. I'm adding that to my list, but that sounds good. There's this one squirrel that keeps running back and forth across my yard, man. What the heck? Anyways, Married by Christmas came out in 2016, and it says Carrie and Katie realize their family's company will be inherited by the first sister to marry. With Katie's Christmas Eve wedding already planned, workaholic Carrie sets out to elope before it's too late. LOL. That's funny. I would like a good healthy competition. Okay, Every Other Holiday came out in 2018, and it says a young divorced mom takes her ex-husband home for the holidays to fulfill that one Christmas wish of her children, but finds herself caught between her prospective mother and the ex she discovers she still loves. Okay, bonus. A Christmas Carol is a series, 1 season. It came out in 2019, and it's about the Scrooge. Christmas Solo came out in 2017. I don't know why I came out. Christmas Solo came out in 2017, and it says 2 single parents try to use the Christmas magic to calm down the rivalry between their daughters. However, they discover that they are not immune to that magic themselves. Oh, what? They're gonna fall in love again? Hallmark movies, man. A Second Chance Christmas came out in 2017, and it says a woman's husband uses her memory loss as a chance to make her fall in love with him again at Christmas. Oh no, I got a disease. That's very bad timing. I didn't say that. I don't have a disease, by the way. Okay, The Man Who Invented Christmas came out in 2017, and it says Charles Dickens' magical journey that led to the creation of the Scrooge, Tiny Tim, and other classic characters from A Christmas Carol. Okay, the last one is Holly's Holiday. This came out in 2013, and it says Holly Maddox longs for a man like the mannequin in a nearby store. After she slips and hits her head, she wakes up to a perfect gentleman by her side. Holly hits it off with her new man, but must choose between the perfect life and real love. Well, guys, that's the end of my list for Hulu. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do a Disney one as well, but that'll just be full of like more family oriented stuff, because it's Disney. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys whenever you wake up to my new video.